Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Christian Bailey here with Sutton Group from Halifax. I'm a realtor, but I'm also here helping out everybody to get all this information about the tax sales here in Halifax. So this pertains only to the Halifax tax sales coming up on the 16th of January, and here's how you submit an offer. First of all, you go to my blog, which you'll find at christianbailey.ca/blog, and you can see the list of all the property taxes here, right? If you scroll over, you can see all the amounts, whether they're redeemable or non-redeemable. Okay, so if they're redeemable, that means your bid will be held. If you win the bid, it'll be held for 6 months, and you still have to pay the funds within 3 days. Okay. And if you go over on the very left, you'll see that there's a Viewpoint link for every single property, which makes it really convenient. And I will show you how to place a bid using this first property because it's actually a property that I'm pretty interested in actually. And so I'm going to place a bid. So we go back to the top, we click the link that brings us to the city website, and it brings us to this view. So I'm going to move this over there. And so the first thing we'll need is the account assessment number. Okay, so we go back to the blog, you'll find that right here. Copy that, paste it in. And then the second would be the property address. Now, some of the addresses are not full, but you can see here that this one's basically here. So you just basically copy and paste this. They're going to have the exact same addresses because this is the information that I got from the website. And as you can see here, if I flash back to the website, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can see that all these properties have their own individual sheets of information. So if you click on that, it will definitely bring up some information for you. But I strongly suggest you still have a lawyer to review anything before you place a bid, okay? So you can see here, this one has a schedule with it. You can see the location map and whatnot, okay? And so what else do they need for information? So amount of bid. So for the purposes of just showing you guys what's going on here, I'm actually just going to bid the amount that they're starting at. And I know I'm not going to win. And if I do, sweet. So $6,463.83. Copy that. So let's paste it in there. Sweet. And HST number, it's not applicable. And you can see that when we scroll over, you see HST says no. So that's fantastic. And then we keep going down. Name a bidder. That's going to be myself. Address. And my telephone number, fax number, it's not required, email address, and yes, I certify that I'll pay the expenses and fees within 3 business days. So that's the other thing. This can also have fees. It's typically like a $100 or $200 fee to process it. And then also if there's any kind of HST, so if it's a commercial property or vacant property, you're going to have to pay the HST, which is 15%. And you'll see on the list here that it will indicate whether it's HST or not. Okay. So that's all there for you. Very easy. Go back to the page, sign at the bottom. I'm doing this on my laptop. It's going to be beautiful. And submit. And I'm just waiting for it to go through. And that will be it. There you go. Submission received.